Today we are going to see how to make ghee rice. In a rice cooker, add 5 teaspoons of ghee. Heat the ghee over medium heat. Add 1 bay leaf, 3 numbers of cloves, 3 numbers of cardamom, cinnamon 1 inch, 1 number of star anise, 2 teaspoons of cumin. Sauté for 1 minute until fragrant. Add 2 green chilies. Add 2 numbers of sliced onion and sauté until it turns white. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and sauté until the raw smell is gone. Add 2 numbers of sliced tomato. Sauté for about 2 minutes until lightly mashed. Add 3 teaspoons of curd. It helps to give rice a white texture. Pour in 1 cup of milk. Add coriander and mint in a small bunch. Pour 800 milliliters of water. Add 3 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Taste and adjust salt if needed. Add 500 grams of rinsed and 30-minute soaked rice. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Close the lid and cook for about 3 to 4 whistles. Enjoy delicious ghee rice. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video.